Alright, what up, y'all? So, it's whatever the next day is. We are picking back up with this wrap. Today, the mission is wrap the face of this bumper, take this bumper off so I can get the edges, and wrap all of this in a separate piece. Once I got that wrapped, we are taking the, well, whatever you call this, the side marker, taking those off. We're gonna wrap both quarter panels today. I gotta take the door panels apart, take this door handle off, and take the mirror off. We're gonna try to wrap both doors today. So by the end of the day, we should have bumper done, both quarter panels done, both doors done. And I gotta do that insert for this fender. I might pick up on that fender tomorrow, depending on how stuff goes. If this goes by kind of quick, I might do the fenders today too. But mirrors are getting painted, so that'll be getting painted. The little buckets for the headlights that I said yesterday, I'm gonna go ahead and paint those when I paint the mirrors. This I'm working on. So as you know, yellow brakes, so yellow flare on when everything was red, so that's coming off. But yeah, I think what we're going with to keep the yellow going, yellow flags. So this is just like paint from like the canvases I've been painting. Throw a picture of that on here if y'all didn't know I did that. But anyway, got all this taped off or whatever. This is just loose vinyl I had laying around, vinyl for the stickers. Shout out to y'all that's been buying the decals and stuff. You know, that's pretty helpful. But I'm gonna go ahead and tape off this the little bow tie and this little whatever the shape is over here, however you say, fluid release or whatever. But anyway, tape that off, and I'm gonna get some of the paint that I used to paint the calipers, and we're gonna paint this yellow so it'll be even. But yeah, that's what we on today. That's an update. The back is done. Man, this look black. There we go, got some color. So yeah, back is done. I didn't do the letters yet. My plan is to just cut it. I don't know if I can I'm gonna try to stick this down, but I feel like I'm past the point of being able to stick it down good. So what I'm gonna do is just cut these out. I got some black Corvette letters ordered and on the way. So once they come in, they'll just sit in that little groove. So that'll be done. But yeah, this is where we at so far. It's just trash, but yeah. Tail lights are done. All of this is done. So with knifeless tape. So next up is to take this off so I can reach these edges, wrap this whole top piece, and then leave the bumper off, and then we're gonna do the quarter panels and move on to the doors after that. All right, so got all the letters cut out. So now I just gotta wait for the actual emblems to come so I can stick them in there. So black bottom, black emblems. While I got all these lights out, I'm gonna go ahead and spray these with some nightshade. So get everything tinted black. Where was it? Here we go. So you can see just random paint oversprays and bad tape jobs. So a lot of overspray from whenever this thing got painted. So yeah, about to get all of this. Well, I got it all wiped out with alcohol. Everything's cleaned up. I'm gonna get some crates to sit this on, and we're gonna spray them with nightshade. So black lights, black emblems, black trim, all of that, yellow accents. That's the plan. Oh yeah, this is painted, so I'm gonna go ahead and clear coat that and set it to the side. I won't put it on until it's done because it goes right here on the front of the bumper. So that'll be last, but that's where we at. All right, so update, a lot going on. Bumper is off. I don't remember if it was off. People been calling the house all day long about nothing. All right, so back to what I was saying. Bumper is off. Surprise, quarter panel is done. So still gotta cut out the holes for these rivets, but it's done. Not the best fix. Can you see it? There you go. So not 100% flat, but good enough. And most of this is gonna be, really all of this is gonna be covered up with the flares. So good enough, no crack. So that's good. This broke on me. So the LED side markers, it's got this little screw on nut or whatever for the plastic piece, and it broke the whole little plastic stud. So that sucks, but I'm just gonna have to 3M this thing on here and then just screw on the one that actually stayed. So it actually broke on both sides the exact same way, so go figure. I hate the way those are made, but anyway, that's done. Bumper is all the way done now. So didn't have this done a minute ago. So the bumper is done. It's seamed up in a few pieces, but it's a seam along this whole line right here. But you know, unless you're looking for it, you're not gonna see it. So that's done. I ended up having to do another little piece down here to seam it, just because I had it stretched right here. Can you see it? You really can't tell. But yeah, it's a line like this, so that's a piece. Same on both sides. I had it stretched and it felt like it was stretching too much, and I didn't want to have it to lift, so I just decided to do an inlay anyway and be done. But yeah, letters are cut out, waiting on those to get in. They should be here by the end of the week. So about to do this other quarter panel and take a break for the day. But this blue is looking real good in the sun, so yeah, stick around. Alright, so this is how we ended the day. It's like 100 or something degrees out there, and now we got rain, so I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I guess I could at least show y'all everything that's done. So both quarters are done, bumper is done, back on, tail lights going in, center, third brake light, whatever. All of these are tinted, so yeah. Should have tinted these, forgot about them, but whatever. You can't see them all at the same time, so I'm cool with that. But this is where we at, and it's rain, so I'm done for the night.